Our garage has always been the one room we couldn't actually use. In the summer, it turns into an oven, and the only fix we ever had was dragging out these giant fans. Here's what we're working with before we start. 85 degrees. Yikes. So here's the plan. We picked the Lapland 18,000 BTU single zone mini split. In the box, you've got the indoor head, the outdoor condenser, the remote, and the line set. We also grabbed the decorative line cover kit to keep everything looking clean when we're done. Our friend is an electrician, so between my husband and him, we felt really good about tackling this ourselves. First up is the indoor unit. We marked out our spot, got the mounting bracket dead level, and drilled our pass-through hole to the outside. Take your time getting that bracket level. Everything else keys off of it. Then we hung the head on the bracket and started feeding the line set through the hole we drilled in the exterior wall beside the indoor unit. Then we attached copper lines coming from the outdoor unit to complete the indoor job. Outside, we set the condenser on its pad and got to work on the connections. This is where having an electrician around really paid off. We flared the refrigerant lines, connected everything up, pulled a vacuum on the system to purge it, and wired the disconnect. This is the part that looks intimidating, but if you go slow and you double-check every connection, it is doable. Now, bare line set running down the wall is not a great look, so we use the decorative PVC line cover kit. You just cut it to length, snap it right over the lines. Look at the difference. That one step is what takes it from handyman job to something you're actually really proud of. One thing you don't want to skip is the disconnect box. This is the weatherproof switch mounted right next to the outdoor unit. It lets you kill power to the whole system in just one flip. It is a safety must, and in most areas, the code requires one within sight of the condenser. Our electrician wired this one up, and honestly, if you're not comfortable with the electrical side, this is the point where you should call in a pro. After finding the perfect spot to hang the remote control, it was the moment of truth, powering it on for the first time. We grabbed the remote, set it to cool, dialed in our temperature, and that's cold air right away. So let's actually put some numbers to it. We started at 85 degrees in here and ran it while keeping an eye on how it cooled things down. Here's the interesting part. It pulls the most power up front while it's working to bring the temperature down. But once it hits your target, the inverter kicks in just to maintain it, and the power draw drops way off. We got it down to a comfortable 72 degrees, and it held there without breaking a sweat. And a big reason it's this efficient is the eco-friendly R32 refrigerant paired with its Energy Star certification. It's built to squeeze the most out of every watt, and you can really feel it. And this isn't just a summer thing. This unit is rated to work from 13 below zero all the way up to 125 degrees. So it's not just cooling the garage in July. It's heating it up in January, too. If your garage has been sitting unused because it's too hot or too cold, this is the fix. The Lapland 18,000 BTU mini split turned ours into our favorite room in the house. If you want to try it yourself, use code Hometalk for 25% off. Trust us, you'll wonder why you waited this long.